Welcome back to Locally Hosted. I'm Alex, and today we are doing something completely different.
I am Sam. And yes, the entire show runs on local hardware. No cloud apps, no data leaks. Just a DGX Spark in Ryan's office.
Wait, so Ryan handpicks everything? Scripts from Qwen, visuals from CogVideoX? That's a heavy lift for one guy.
It is. But if we hit our subscriber goal, we open source the whole pipeline. Today, though, let's talk about why your broker is obsolete.
Hold up. You're saying AI can trade stocks better than humans without having a mental breakdown?
Not just trading. We're looking at TradingAgents by Tarek Research. It's a multi-agent framework that actually reasons. It has 80K stars on GitHub.
80,000? That's massive. But how is this different from a fancy spreadsheet with a Python script attached?
Great question. Most tools are single agent. One brain. If it gets confused, you lose money. This uses a team that argues and debates.
Wait, they argue? Like, actively disagree? That sounds like chaos. How do you stop them from going in circles forever?
LangGraph. It's like a conductor for an orchestra. It ensures the research manager feeds data to the trader, who then presents to the portfolio manager.
Okay, so it's a committee of AIs. But what about the data? LLMs are notorious for making up facts. If the research manager invents a news story, we're doomed.
Good point. The version 0.2.5 update added a grounded sentiment analyst. It verifies sentiment against real-time feeds, not just guesses. It supports GPT 5.5 and Qwen 2.
Path traversal hardening? That sounds like cybersecurity speak. What does that mean for us regular folks trying to make money?
It means security. If you're running this locally, you don't want an API key leak or someone injecting a command to wipe your disk. This framework is built with that in mind.
Okay, I'm listening. But let's talk about the trader agent. How does it actually decide to buy or sell? Does it just look at charts?
Nope. It looks at everything. Technical indicators, sentiment, macro news. It weighs the evidence, proposes a trade, and logs every decision for audit.
Audit trail. That's huge for compliance. Institutions love that. But can it handle volatility? Like when the market crashes and everyone is panicking.
That's where the multi-agent part shines. When things get crazy, the portfolio manager steps in. It might say, hold, don't sell. The research manager says this is noise.
So it's basically a calm, rational voice in a chaotic room. But is it fast enough? Real-time trading requires milliseconds. Are we talking seconds or hours?
It's not HFT. High-frequency trading is about speed. This is about smart. It's for swing trading and strategy development. With remote ALMA support, latency is minimal.
Remote ALMA? So I can run the models on my own GPU? I don't need to pay OpenAI for every single trade?
Exactly. That's the beauty of it. You have full control. Swap models? GPT 5.4? Sure. Gemini 3.1? Why not? Claude 4.6? Go for it. It's model agnostic.
That's a game changer. No vendor lock-in. But what about backtesting? Can I test the strategy on 10 years of data without going broke?
Yes. Backtesting date fidelity is built in. It ensures no look-ahead bias. You can't cheat by using tomorrow's news to predict today's price. It's rigorous and free.
Okay, but let's be real. Can an AI really replace a human analyst? I feel like finance is too nuanced for code. There's always a human element.
Nuance is just pattern recognition at scale. An AI can read 10,000 news articles in seconds. It can spot correlations humans miss. It doesn't get tired or hungry.
So it's not replacing humans. It's replacing lazy humans. The ones who don't do the work. That's a harsh truth, but probably true.
Precisely. It's a force multiplier. You bring the intuition. It brings the data processing. Together, you're unstoppable. And you can tweak the prompt. It's your sandbox.
I'm tempted.
I might actually try running this. But what about the learning curve? Is it hard to set up for someone who isn't a DevOps engineer?
Docker support. Windows UTF Nord Fix. It's plug and play. If you can install a Docker container, you can run TradingAgents. There's a Discord community too.
Okay, so it's powerful, secure, flexible, and easy to run. What's the catch? There's always a catch. What am I missing here?
The catch is responsibility. You're still the pilot. If the market crashes because of a black swan event, the AI can't predict the unpredictable. It's a tool. Use it wisely.
Fair warning. I'll stick to paper trading for now. But this feels like the future. Local, private, powerful. It's exactly what we need.
It is. It's open source, which means you can learn from it, modify it, improve it. That's the spirit of this community. We're building this together.
All right, that's enough tech talk for now. Sam, where can people find this thing? I need to see the code myself.
Original source is linked in the description. GitHub repo, Toric Research /TradingAgents. Check the changelog. It's evolving fast, so stay tuned.
And don't forget, if we hit that subscriber goal, we open source the whole show pipeline. So hit that subscribe button. Help us out.
We appreciate it. And remember, stay local. Stay curious. The future is in your hands, not in the cloud.
This was locally hosted. Until next time, stay curious. And keep your APIs local.